will be our last fit up for 2022, the 200 series. Pioneer backbone flat rack on it, and we've got a Nomad 3.7 high sides. It's a fairly big boat and a fairly big car. So what I'll do is I'll give you a quick look at the gunnel clamps that lock the boat down, and then just show you how easy it is to unload. A bit windy today, we've got about a 15 knot sou'easter, but that's fine. That's our gunnel clamps, locks the boat down, no tie down straps required. Really guys, that's as easy as that. About a 90 kilo boat, remote control, job's done.